If you're tired of unreliable Ethernet cables that slip out or don't quite reach, the Amazon Basics 25-foot Cat-5e Ethernet cable might be exactly what you need. Designed to connect computers, printers, and other devices to your local area network, LAN, this cable offers dependable performance and the length to fit tricky setups. What sets this cable apart is its impressive 25-foot length, giving you plenty of room to run it along walls, around furniture, or behind bookshelves without stretching or stressing the connection. That extra length means you won't have to settle for awkward, short cables that barely reach your router or line jack. The cable supports data transfer speeds up to 1000 megabits per second, or 1 gigabit per second, so you can count on fast and stable internet whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home. Gold-plated RJ45 connectors ensure precise data transmission, minimizing interference and connection drops. Durability matters, especially when cables are tucked away or moved around. This Ethernet cable features a protective PVC jacket that guards against wear and tear, keeping your connection secure over time. It's built to last and maintain performance even in demanding setups. One user shared how this cable solved a persistent problem with their previous short and flimsy cable that kept slipping out. The Amazon Basics cable fit perfectly, wrapped neatly around bookshelves, and ran along the wall without any issues. Since switching, they haven't had to worry about the connection once. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting Ethernet cable that won't let you down, this 10-pack of 25-foot Cat-5e cables is worth a look. It offers universal compatibility with routers, switches, network printers, and storage devices, making it a versatile choice for any network setup. Whether you're upgrading your home office or improving your gaming rig, this cable gives you the length and durability you need without compromising speed or stability. If that's you, consider giving this cable a try when you're ready to make your network hassle-free. Reliable connectivity starts with the right cable. The Amazon Basics 25-foot Cat-5e Ethernet cable delivers fast data transfer, a tough design, and the length to fit your space. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your network with a cable that works as hard as you do.